Goda Perfume, sold through Goda.co, is marketed as a pheromone-based fragrance promising attraction and luxury appeal, but across multiple Reddit threads and Trustpilot reviews, the feedback is overwhelmingly negative. Customers report month-long shipping delays, poor communication, and cheap synthetic scents that smell like dollar store perfume. Many say the fragrance wears off quickly or arrives late with no tracking updates. The brand relies heavily on flashy TikTok or Facebook ads, sometimes even using fake celebrity endorsements, which is another red flag. Compared to established designer fragrances or Middle Eastern perfume houses, Goda falls short in both quality and reliability. So the bottom line is that Goda perfume is a real product, but the business practice and scent quality make it feel like a scam. If you want lasting, well-crafted fragrance, stick with trusted designer or Middle Eastern brands instead of wasting money on overhyped marketing.